Today I will show you how to remove reverb in Adobe Audition. Start by making sure you have your audio clip in the timeline. Then, go to the top menu bar and click on Effects. Hover your mouse over Noise Reduction and Restoration, and from the list, select DeReverb. This will open the DeReverb window. This tool helps reduce echo or room reverb from your recording, making your voice sound cleaner and more natural. At the bottom of the window, you'll see a slider that controls how much of the effect is applied. Drag the slider slowly to the right to increase the reverb reduction. You can click the play icon to preview the changes as you adjust. If you move the slider too far, you might start to hear distortion or buzzing, but if you move it too little, you might not hear much difference. Find a balance where the voice sounds natural and the reverb is reduced. Once you are satisfied with the result, click Apply to finalize the effect. And that's how you remove reverb in Adobe Audition.